7 Ways to Make Money on Amazon 2024. You can make money by just sleeping at home, or staying on a couch by using Amazon. Amazon is not just a place to spend money. It is a massive marketplace where sellers can make money. Making Amazon your side hustle will take time, effort, and strategy, but you have option as a seller, influencer, and gig worker. In this video I will show you 7 best way of making money by using Amazon. This is Norbipol TV. Please subscribe to this channel for more interesting video like this. Let's dive in. 1. Choose a product type or specialize in a niche. What should you sell to make money on Amazon? Thinking about your interests and hobbies can be a good place to start, allowing you to draw on your strengths and capitalize on insider knowledge you might have about a particular industry. Other times, inspiration can strike when you least expect it. You might try selling a single product, or source a variety of items from different product categories. Check out this guide to finding product ideas, and get inspired by this list of successful online businesses. Once you dive in, you might find yourself gravitating toward one category, like clothing or toys. Keep an eye on purchases and let sales analytics guide your decisions. For example, you might want to expand your catalog, or narrow it down to a handful of products, maybe even just one top seller. 2. Sell handcrafted items. If you're a pro at sewing, woodworking, or another skill, turn your expertise into an e-commerce business. Amazon Handmade is an online community of artisans selling unique goods to a global audience. This program comes along with a fee waiver for a professional selling plan, plus other perks for artists and creatives who want to share their work with the world. 3. Build your own brand. Building your own brand takes effort and investment, but it can pay off in customer loyalty. Plus, Amazon offers a host of tools and benefits for brand owners. If you're ready to take the leap, or if you have an existing brand, enroll in brand registry to unlock automated protections for your label and more resources for brand management. 4. Create and distribute merch. Maybe you have a great idea for a funny t-shirt or coffee mug. Bring your ideas to life with Amazon Merch on Demand. This program allows you to design custom apparel and accessories on a print-on-demand basis. Products print after each sale, so you don't have to worry about unsold stock, and ship through Prime so customers can receive orders quickly. 5. Sell B2B. If you want to sell to other businesses, Amazon Business is designed to help you reach B2B customers of all sizes. This program comes along with visual dashboards, business pricing, quantity discounts, and more. 6. Earn passive income by recommending products. You don't need to sell products to make money on Amazon. Amazon's affiliate marketing program, Amazon Associates, lets you monetize traffic through social media and other channels by recommending products for sale on Amazon. This affiliate marketing model allows you to earn up to 10% in commissions. 7. Publish books with Kindle Direct Publishing. Have you written the next great novel or play? Self-publish through Kindle Direct Publishing to share your manuscript in the form of paperback, hardcover, ebooks, or all of the above. Hundreds of thousands of authors from around the world have self-published millions of books since KDP launched in 2007. Hope you enjoy and get something from this video. This is Norbipol TV. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video. Thank you.